In this video, we will learn how to read and write a pickle file in pandas. Let's import pandas as PD. I'm going to make one variable df, and in this I will save my CSV file. From pandas, I will use the method read underscore CSV, and inside this I will pass my CSV file name. My CSV file name is autompg.csv. Let's look at the top 5 rows of a data frame df.head. Using method head, we can look at the top 5 rows of our data frame df. These are the top 5 rows of our data frame, and our data frame contains columns such as mpg, cylinders, displacement, horsepower, weight, acceleration, model year, origin, and car name. Let's also look at the bottom 5 rows of our data frame, and we will use the method tail df.tail. In the output, we can see the bottom 5 rows of a data frame df. Pickle is used for serializing and deserializing Python object structures. It is the process of converting an object in memory to a byte stream that can be stored on disk or sent over a network. We will convert this data frame df to a pickle object. We will write df dot to pickle, and we have to give our pickle file name. I'm going to give this file name as my data frame, and since this is a pickle file, we will write the extension as dot pickle. Let's run. So I have successfully saved this data frame df as a pickle object on my disk. Let's go and verify. I'll open my folder, and here you will see my data frame.pickle. So we have successfully saved the data frame as a pickle object. Now we are going to read this pickle file, and to read this pickle file we will use the method read pickle. I'll make one variable df underscore pickle, and now from pandas I will use the method read underscore pickle, and the file name is my data frame dot pickle. Let's run. So we have successfully read our pickle file and store in the variable df underscore pickle. Let's look at the head and tails of our data frame df underscore pickle. We will write df underscore pickle dot head. In the output, you can see that we got the top 5 rows, and these rows are similar to the rows of our data frame df because we have converted this data frame as a pickle object and stored on our disk. Let's also look at the bottom 5 rows. We will write df underscore pickle dot tail, and these are the bottom 5 rows of our data frame df underscore pickle. So this is how you can store any data frame as a pickle object in pandas. This video was about how to read and write a pickle file in pandas. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.